Getting started with DApps.
Decentralized applications, or DApps, run on blockchain networks instead of central servers, offering greater security and transparency. Before building your first DApp, it's important to understand blockchain fundamentals and how decentralized technologies work. Focus on basic concepts like distributed ledgers, smart contracts, and the differences between blockchain platforms.
Choosing the right blockchain platform.
Different blockchains offer unique features for DApp development. Ethereum is the most popular, thanks to its robust tools for smart contract creation. Alternatives like Polygon, Solana, and Binance Smart Chain provide scalability and lower transaction fees. Research each platform's documentation and community support to decide which best fits your project goals.
Learning smart contract programming.
The smart contracts are self-executing pieces of code that power DApps. Solidity is the main programming language for Ethereum, while Rust and Viper are used on other platforms. Start by studying Solidity through online tutorials or coding courses, and practice writing simple contracts on test networks using tools like Remix IDE.
Building the DApp frontend.
User interfaces for DApps often use standard web technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. You will also need to integrate with wallets such as MetaMask using libraries like Web3.js or Ethers.js. Focus on learning how to connect your smart contracts with your frontend so users can interact with your DApp securely.
Testing deployment and best practices.
Test your DApp thoroughly on public testnets before launching on the main blockchain. Look out for security vulnerabilities in your smart contracts and use auditing tools to catch bugs. Once ready, deploy your contracts in frontend, then engage with user feedback to improve. Continuous learning and adaptation are key for long-term success in DApp development.